Alright, inside this magical glass case on this wooden table, we find the Apple Watch Series 4, which is I'd say the first huge upgrade in the Apple Watch ever. New screen, a lot of new features. I'd say this is the bigger announcement of the announcements that were made back in September with the iPhone XS and XS Max. Not that big, I didn't say. This would be pretty huge improvements with these, so I kind of want to check these out. So here I place my Series 3 and the new Series 4 side by side, so you can see the external differences in upgrades that have been made in between these two versions, because there's a lot. The actual bands are identical, just FYI, but you can see the edges on the Series 4 are actually a bit rounder than they are in the Series 3, and if you put them side by side, you can kind of see Series 4 is going to be a wee bit thinner. Nothing to write home about, but a little bit more thin. And now I've got them backwards. Here we go. On the back, it's probably a really notable difference here. You can see there's a new generation heart rate sensor, and the glare is really bad in here for some reason. Instead of using 4 different lights and sensors, it's all contained in kind of one little central circle here, which looked kind of weird at first for some reason, but it's kind of grown on me after a while. Also, the entire back is a kind of ceramic material, whereas on the Series 3 it was just the centerpiece that was ceramic. The whole thing is ceramic here, so that's kind of neat. Overall, just a kind of nicer looking back, but it doesn't really matter. You're not really using the back with the watch, so I mean, it doesn't really matter at all. Okay, and you can see that they've actually made the digital crown and side button smaller on the Series 4 than they are on the Series 3, which is a little odd, and the digital crown's a little modified. It's now conductive of electricity, so it can take ECGs, which I actually don't get to test here because it's not even in the software yet. It's coming later, apparently. They also moved the microphone on this side. It's not there on here. I know you'll find the microphone on the old Series 3 on the back side, but the Series 4 has an entire speaker module all the way across, as opposed to the speaker just on this side. This speaker is apparently twice as loud as the Series 3 speaker. I thought the Series 3 speaker was like an okay volume, but this is louder, so that's interesting. But that screen is a lot bigger too, comes all the way out to the edges. So even with the same case size, you can see if we go back here, this kind of cuts off pretty soon. This comes all the way to the edge, and it's got curved edges, which in my opinion look much nicer. So that's super duper sweet. But if we go back out to the menu we were at before, apparently the processor in the Series 4 is twice as fast as the processor in the Series 3. So, I mean, we can't really test that because, I don't know, it's kind of hard to. I've tried, but I mean, it's there. Stop asking for a passcode. The digital crown got changed a little bit. It now has haptic feedback, so no matter how you use it, it clicks, which I actually don't really like. I know that sounds weird. A lot of people like it. I just don't really like it. Maybe it would grow on me if I had this device, but I kind of like the Series 3. I used the digital crown a lot, and I liked it not annoying the crap out of me. This is just a little weird to have it giving haptic feedback as I turn it. It makes it feel like an actual clicky thingamajigger, actual like clicky wheel, whereas I liked it better on the on my watch, the Series 3, that it didn't feel like a clicky thing. It felt like just a wheel, which I like that a lot better. So it's kind of unfortunate they made that change. A lot of people like it, I just don't. Also, the button on the Series 4, it's still a physical button, but it feels much shallower. I'm referring to the side button. Much smaller. It's hard to actually tell if your finger's on it or not. And it's a much shallower click. I like the click on the Series 3 much better. So compared to the Series 3, I think the Series 4 kind of went in the wrong direction for the actual buttons and things like that. The actual external hardware buttons. But everything else looks great. The design is much better. The screen's much bigger. Overall, I like that kind of stuff much better, and I can get over the kind of weird design choices I don't like so much for the ones that I do, which is huge. Internally, as before stated, the Series 4 is twice as powerful in terms of horsepower as the Series 3, so that'll mean your apps and stuff will load faster. That's good, because sometimes this got kind of annoyingly slow. And also, this has an updated wireless chip, including Bluetooth 5.0, so if you have an iPhone with Bluetooth 5.0 as well, which would be, I think, the 10 and newer, then you're going to be able to have faster connect speeds to your iPhone, and even if you just have any other device supporting Bluetooth 5.0, you're going to be able to connect a lot better using the Series 4's 5.0 compared to the Bluetooth 4.0 on the Series 3. Overall, that's pretty much it. I know I compressed it down a lot and maybe didn't do the best job of showing you everything that's new, but there's a lot new in this Series 4 device. You can look up some more on your own if you'd like, but I'm really impressed with it. I think they did a great job with the Series 4, and I think that was overall a much better announcement than the 10S and 10S Max, but yeah, love it. Great device. I probably won't be upgrading though, because I just got a Series 3 like last year, so I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.